Christmas in a small town with Santa. In a small town, snow has fallen with the arrival of winter. The town square was decorated with a large Christmas tree, and the residents were about to welcome the most special time of the year. The children looked forward to Santa Claus and wrote letters every night before going to bed. "Santa, I want a toy car. My mother and father are always working, so I hope my family is happy," he wrote with all his heart. Meanwhile, Santa was riding a sled from the North Pole and traveling with the gentle reindeer. There were helpers by his side, and he prepared gifts to fulfill all the children's wishes. However, I noticed that there was a Santa Claus on the way. There are a lot of children in this town, but for some reason, one gift is not enough. I can't find a letter from Lena, a little girl living in a corner of town. Why is there no letter from her? Santa was worried and decided to ask the reindeer to return to the town. When Santa returned to town, she visited Rena's house. Then, Lena looked out the window and muttered, "May Santa come?" She was worried that her mother was sick and she couldn't ask Santa for anything. Santa touched Lena's pure heart and was able to hear Lena's wish, "May your mother get well." Santa prepared a special gift and gently placed it next to Lena. It is a magical amulet to heal her mother. Rena woke up on Christmas morning and found a present. And my mother's smile began to return little by little. Lena was overjoyed and shouted "thank you" from the sky from the bottom of her heart to express her gratitude to Santa. On that day, Santa's love spread throughout the town, and it was a warm Christmas for the family to spend together. Santa remembered that no matter how small the wish is, she cherished it. This is the true magic of Christmas. The end.